Hi, today we're going to see how to add reflections in Photopea. I'm going to use this image here. So first thing I'm going to do is to duplicate this layer so we can see the before and after. Right click on it and then duplicate layer. And now I'm just going to hide the bottom layer and now I'm going to remove the background from this layer here. So just go to select and then remove BG. And now I'm going to add it another time. Go to select and then remove BG to get a better result. So here it is. And now I'm going to apply this layer mask, right click and then apply. So here it is. Now I'm going to create a background here. So I'm going to create a new layer, click on this icon here. And now I'm going to place it just under the phone layer, the mobile phone. So now I'm going to hide the image here. And now I'm going to use a gradient, select the gradient tool. And now I'm going to change the foreground to white background. I'm going to change it to this gray here. Press OK. For the gradient, I'm going to select a radial, this one here. So it will go circular like this. So here it is. And now I'm going to show my image. And now I'm going to select the move tool. This one here. So now I'm going to scale down this layer here. So just click on the transform controls to have controls, and now I'm going to scale it down. So here, I think here it's okay. So we can see good reflection. So here it is. And now I'm just going to duplicate this layer, this one here with the phone. Right click on it and then duplicate layer. So here it is. And now I'm going to invert vertically the top layer, duplicated layer. So just go to edit, transform, and then here flip vertically. So here it is. So if I hide it, so here, and now I'm just going to uncheck the transform controls. So I'm still on the move tool. And now while moving this layer, keep shift key down, hold shift key down and then move it to move it on a straight line. I'm going to move it here like this. And still, for example, I'm going to rotate it a little bit. So if I select the zoom tool, so here I'm going to rotate it just go to edit, transform. So I'm just going to select rotate. And now so as you can see, my cursor's changed. Just going to rotate it to make it kind of straight. So I think I'm going to leave it here. So here it is. And now I'm just going to select another tool here to confirm. And now I'll hold shift key while moving the layer upward. So here it is. And now I'm going to select the zoom tool, right click, fit the area. So now I'm just going to add the raster mask here. So I'm just going to select the bottom layer and then click on this icon. So here it is. And now on the raster mask, the white represents opacity and the black transparency. So for example, here, if I select the brush tool, I will change the foreground here to black. So I'm just going to increase the brush size. So if I paint on the layer mask here, this one here, if I paint with black, as you can see, it will erase it. But if I switch between the foreground and background, if I switch to white, it will reveal it. So here it is. The only colors you can use here is kind of black and white to erase and to show again. So now I'm going to use a gradient so we can have a transition between the black and white. So I'm just going to select the gradient tool. So here it is. For the foreground, I'm going to select the white color. For the background, it's the black. So it will go from opacity here, it will show the layer. And then here so I'm going to create my layer. So make sure to select the layer mask. Make sure you're on this layer. So here, as you can see, you can still, for example, change it. So like this. So now I'm just going to do it just as before. Going to leave it here. So here it is. And now I'm just going to apply my raster mask. So right click, apply. So here's our reflection. So now I'm going to merge down. I'm going to merge down. So here's the before and after. So here it is. That's how you can add reflections in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and till next time.